Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the environmental protocol token that's about to be listed on Hotbit. Now there's all sorts of craziness going around right now with Hotbit still. You know, they've paused trading for so long. A lot of things aren't even opened up on Hotbit right now, and they're somehow releasing new token listings here. And it kind of boggles my mind. So we're gonna go over this token, but definitely take this token here with a grain of salt. First of all, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always thoroughly do your own research before investing in any token, especially this token. Yeah, always do your own research before investing. And second of all, I used to have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. It's been removed, you know, ever since what happened with Hotbit. But definitely check out all the rest of those Hotbit referral codes, or sorry, those crypto referral codes down there in the description box. Lots of really good exchanges down there in the description. Take advantage of those referral codes and get yourself some free crypto. Benefits both of us when you use referral codes, so check them out. Now let's get into this token here, environmental protocol. So EALT, I believe, is the ticker symbol for this token. First of all, I was checking out their webpage on mobile. Wasn't even really working properly when I was or it was working properly on mobile. Now I'm on my PC trying to check out their webpage, and the environmental protocol webpage is mostly blank for some reason. Their white paper does work. I believe, like, if you look at how this token's page looks, it looks like a lot of the other tokens pages that have been taken down in the past from Hotbit. I believe that it might even be like the same company that, you know how Hotbit delists tokens all the time. Like, this token is it's listed, and then a few months later it'll be delisted. This token looks like the exact same page format as a lot of the other tokens that have been taken down in the past. I believe this is a Korean project. It looks like the same types of projects as before. They're all BEP20 tokens. They have a BSC scan listed on their Hotbit announcement, but they're not listed on PancakeSwap, not that I know of. So if you check their BSC scan, there's like hardly any transactions on it. And the only place you can get this token, basically, it looks like, is on Hotbit. So right away, that's sketchy, especially with all the Hotbit stuff that's been going on recently. If you haven't been paying attention, I do have some other Hotbit videos that you could watch about how basically they stopped trading, and there was a big they claim that there was, you know, some legal problem with some guy that worked for them, yada yada yada. I mean, there's not really hard evidence of anything really. We're just kind of going by what Hotbit says. And then just yesterday on Hotbit, there was like some huge thing about how they're, I'll read it for you actually. We will go over a little bit of info on this token here in a second, but I'm just going to read you what it said on Hotbit. So Hotbit News, if you go over to their Twitter, Hotbit_news, I don't even know why they're listing new tokens. I mean, unless this is, you know, I mean, obviously they're making money off of new token listings. But it says the withdraw function of some tokens and coins were affected by a deficit. Now, it explains to you what a deficit is, but basically a lot of people are saying that they lost a lot of money. Like, it just kind of vanished on Hotbit because of this quote-unquote deficit, right? And, you know, Hotbit claimed that everybody's tokens were safe, and then all of a sudden they're not, and then there's this deficit thing. You know, don't worry, they're saying your tokens are safe, it's just going to take time, yada, 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 and then all of a sudden everybody's tokens are not safe. So, anyways, ridiculous stuff going on lately with Hotbit. and now they're just listing new tokens. And this tokens, they do have a white paper, but like I don't see a KYC, I don't see a team doxed on here, I don't see any sort of legitimate audit. You know, there was no. This token just gets announced. It's not listed anywhere, only on Hotbit. And then mark my words. I mean, I would bet in a matter of a month or so, maybe a month or two, this token will be gone and it'll be delisted from Hotbit, just like all the other ones. So it says connect the world with intelligent invention EALT ecosystem. And then it says the problem with existing mileage. It goes over that. Introduction, the mileage platform for the new invention EALT chain. Now, will we ever even see an EALT chain come out and, work? 6 months from now, will this be around working for people? Let's see. Well, EALT integrates all auto service fields into one blockchain platform based on reliable smart data. And then it goes over the automobile industry has achieved remarkable growth, rapid over the past 100 years, and has become a tool and an asset comparable to food, clothing, and shelter. And it goes on about that. Now, actually, if you guys remember tokens that were like the drone tokens, there's a few tokens that were drone tokens. There's ones about like electric vehicles and fuel and stuff like that. They all had similar web pages to this, and a lot of people complained in the comments. That's how I kind of know how a token is doing. Is a new token comes out on any platform, whether it's CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Pink Sale, Hotbit, MEXC Global, wherever. I've never actually had much, I don't think I've had much of any bad comments of tokens that come out on MEXC Global. It's mainly just Hotbit, people complaining about the tokens that come out on there. So MEXC Global is a great exchange in my opinion, but tons of complaints about those drone tokens, those fuel tokens, the electric vehicle ones, and the ones that basically were the Korean ones that just come out on Hotbit, and they had exact same pages as this one. So I would assume that there's going to be people complaining in the comments about this token. I don't even really want to go over it that much. I just wanted to come on here and do a video warning y'all about this token. You can find their webpage at eal-protocol.com is their webpage if you're looking for it. And this token gets listed tomorrow, September 15th on Hotbit. Now, I don't even understand how people are even, people can't even, how you can invest tokens on Hotbit and you can check your assets invested on Hotbit and you can redeem them. You can't even redeem them right now. And they're talking about new listings. That's crazy. People can't even take their money out of Hotbit right now, and they're talking about buy this new token that's specifically for Hotbit. So yeah, this token anyways, it's supposed to have a EALT blockchain and data storage, and they're going to have EALT crypto payments, wallet solution, payment system called PPay, and yeah, but will any of this stuff, they have a growth plan on here. They have, total of 5 billion tokens, and they have a roadmap on here. Now, if I look at the roadmap, it doesn't say anything about any audit coming out. It doesn't say anything about any KYC coming out. Very vague roadmap. EALT assurance, white paper listing, wallet launch platform, mobile app, mileage service, online payment service, additional listing, mileage swap, payment service, currency payment open, and that's it. You know what I mean? Very vague white paper. They don't have lots of socials either. I don't know if they have any socials listed anywhere. They don't even have a Twitter that I could see. And yeah, I mean, they just posted this on Hotbit, and people are saying already listing new coins. Stop listing coins randomly if you don't want more problems? You don't learn or what? Well, I mean, they're just making, I mean, obviously Hotbit just makes money off listing these coins. Either like they're the ones listing these coins or somebody's paying them to list these coins. And either way, this coin, I would be willing to bet 99% is gone in a couple months. And you will see, mark my words, leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? And what do you guys think about the Hotbit situation? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where usually I go over good tokens here. So, you know, once in a blue moon, there's, you know, these tokens that don't do so well. Some are a surprise, and some of them are pretty obvious that they're going to fail. And to me, this is one of them that is most likely going to do poorly, but I'm not a financial advisor. So throw a comment down there. What do you guys think? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and yeah, check out all the other referral codes down there. Hotbit is no longer listed in my referral codes because I do not believe in them anymore. And yeah, check out all the other ones down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.